Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to draw any figure from reference with this fight scene drawing. Start by observing the figure first. The things to observe in the reference are the line of action, weight of the body and the joints of the limbs and their proportional placement. While drawing on your own, take your time, at least 5 minutes. For now, keep the reference in front of you and let's start with constructing the figure using basic shapes. Start with drawing the torso of the model who is about to strike the opponent and is in air. Then draw the pelvis and connect the neck. While drawing these poses, always look at the reference more than your drawing to check proportions with your sketch. After then, draw the arms which are in perspective and are outstretched holding the weapon. Now we will draw the model who is defending himself with a sword. We apply the same method here but pay close attention to how the weight of the body is balanced. Also, he is on the ground, so he will be lower than the model in air. Make sure to understand the position of the legs as the right leg is going behind in space while the left one is coming towards us. Try to adapt this process of drawing figures, which will make figure drawing easy. Now let us draw the hands and the weapon he is holding. Make sure to draw all your figures using this method as it will give you the basic construction idea of the body, which later you can use to draw figures from imagination. For more such poses, type reference in the comments and we will reply with the link to more such amazing reference for practice. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.